All right, so let's talk about the infamous stalling problem on the Svartpilen 401. So again, if you've been doing your research, this is probably one of those things that you found, through other YouTube videos or whatever. You can also check out on my channel there. I have a couple other videos, the top 5 things I love, top 5 things that I hate about the bike. I go into some other things there as well, but I wanted to specifically talk more about this stalling problem because it's by far the most annoying thing, and I just don't know why it happens or how to fix it. When I'm driving kind of at highway speeds, what I'm finding is that, if I am coming up to a red light and I kind of, I pull in the clutch and I just, use the brakes and just kind of just gear down to 1. Often by the time I get down to like maybe 20 kilometers an hour or something, the bike just conks out. It just stalls, and I don't know why. And I know that it's not just this bike, because I've seen a bunch of other riders with the Svartpilens and they have said the same thing. I don't know if it's something you can fix or not. It doesn't happen all the time. It's only every once in a while. And like I said, if it happens, you just obviously you just hit the button and restart it. It's not the end of the world or anything, but it is frustrating nonetheless, and I don't know if there's a fix to it. The only fix I've been doing is that when I am gearing down, I just give it some revs as I'm gearing down and as I get to slower speeds, and then once you kind of hit your red light, give it a couple of revs, and then you're good to go, and then it'll just keep running. Of course, I tried to with my action cam, I tried to get like a POV of what it looks like when it does that, and then of course, now that I'm trying to show somebody it wasn't doing it at all. But I promise you it does happen every once in a while, and it is kind of frustrating. So I don't know, if you know some sort of fix to this or something, let me know, because it is frustrating. If somebody has figured out a fix to it, let me know in the comments. But definitely something to keep in mind if you're thinking about buying one of these guys.